Yeah, yo, this shit fire right here. I'ma spit it quick. Yo, son, I got you. Shout out to my cuz out in B-Lo. You know who it is. What up? Yeah. Y'all noobs never want a piece of this kid. He's insane. Call him NHL God, cause that's what he does when he's playing. I ain't playing with your mind, this guy's the game. If you understand, you'll feel the pain. It's like the shit goes on in your brain. It's like a mind game. He got you work. Once you blink twice, he's like up on the scoreboard, winning 16-0. I don't know how you can understand or lose control. This quick's damn good if I ever had a plan. I tried to play him, but it just kept on going. Score, goal, I don't know. But look at how the red light's spinning. Listen to everything as the light's dimming. He's insane at the online game. Call him James Poo '09. That's what his gamer tag says. If you know how it is, you know my son is the best. He's going on a streak. He's infinity to zip. He's never lost a game. He's like the insane. I don't know how to prove it to y'all, but you just gotta play him. And you'll soon find out that once the first intermission is over, you want out. You know what I'm talking about, cause if I really didn't, why would I try to talk about shit that I never thought about? Everything I do, it's like I never tried to. My James Cuz is like the best one in the country, man. If you think you're beating him, you must be on a different planet. Cause this dude has a plan of attack, and best believe he gonna handle it. It's like a fucking handle. If you think you broke it, then this shit is a scandal. This dude is the truth, and you need the proof. Bitch, play him, you'll see how good he really is, dude. I ain't trying to joke around. My son's insane. He goes in and out of games like it's on his brain. I don't know how. He can multitask too. He be playing Call of Duty, busting nom noobs like you. It's like insane with the camouflage. Got the Uzi in his hand, shooting niggas up like a Uzi in his planner, man. I know how it is. I was a one-on-one, trying to do the dude, but he just kept on sneaking up and won. I don't know how it happened. I blinked once, I was done. It was like 25-0, and I was like, I'm out, son. I can't handle this kid. He's crazy with everything he did. If you don't believe me, then just play him again. You'll see how hard it is to beat him. It's like playing against Jesus, and Jesus has created him. I don't know what you really mean about him. It's like he created the game. He knows so many spots to hide that it's insane. It's impenetrable. His game's unlosable. He's the winner of everything that he even thought he could. And then he put his mind to work. Listen to what he's saying. Listen to the dimes worth. If I could prove it more, you think I would? Nah, cuz this dude's the truth. This dude's the truth. This dude's the truth. I'm letting these kids know. I'm gonna let you know. But if you don't take my word for it, then you know it surely will show. Listen, son, I told you I got you, cuz if I really didn't, then what the fuck's on my part does? I know we family, man, but this shit's the truth. I tried beating you, but I couldn't even come close in the twos. I know how hard it is trying to be a startup kid. I don't know what I'm doing a rookie game in Artemis. I know that it's like a fucking artist, I get it. You created all the game spots that I can't even find out. Listen, I know it don't make sense now, but as soon as you meet this kid, then you'll be like, this dude's about. I know all about him. I lived with him for a while. Listen to my cuz as he do strizzes and noobs done. I know what it's all about. Just listen to me, hear me out. I'm trying to protect you from a lot of pain going into the game. It's like it's his own, man. It's like it's his own domain, cause he lived there for a long time. If you don't believe me, just ask his gamer tag. He's the #1 dude playing online in the bag. I don't know, but it's a matter of fact. It's a fact over fiction, and this dude is a trap. Yo, cuz, I told you I got you, man. I ain't gonna front on family, cuz. Yo, keep doing what you do. Got you, man. Got you, man. Got you, man.